Mama Does Nails, and welcome back to my channel. I hope that you're all having a good day and ready for today's video. Monomer empty. I just poured the last little bit in there. So guys, I'm just going to let you just watch me work and please enjoy. So here are how the nails are looking, guys. I have filed and buffed and wiped and top base coated and buffed and all that good stuff. And I completely forgot to say I used the super sharp stilettos. That's the tips that I used from Enailcouture. There is currently a sale going on at Enailcouture where you can save 30%. That's more than my 25% code. So I will leave that linked in the video and in the description box, and definitely take advantage of it. So I'm just thinking now, I've got these colors, they're giving very fairy, but before I do that, I'm thinking, because I want some bling, like really want some bling. So I'm actually thinking this nail, I'm going to paint this whole nail this beautiful color, because I'm pretty sure this looks reflective. My eyes can't even cope. Definitely BB06 looks closer in color, so it's not taken away. So I'm going to do that on the other three nails, and this is a beautiful light glitter jelly. I don't know why, but I feel like I want a little bit of gold foil on this nail. So I have some base coat down, and I'm just going to get, I do want it quite chunky. So I've added some base coat and everything, and I've wiped that tacky layer. Now these stickers from Enailcouture, I've never ever seen stickers like this anywhere else. And I don't know, today I saw these colors and it was just almost like the sticker called to me. Honestly, don't know what this is going to look like, but nail. Thank you so much for watching. Guys, are you ready for the glow on Biscuit Pink? OMG. Wow, this is an acrylic. My door is still open. Oh, this is gorgeous. It looks like a completely different set. Wow. I had to show you. That glow. Oh my gosh.